Now that epicSnap is installed on your device, let's take a quick look at the mobile app inbox. Like and subscribe so you never miss what's coming next at Epic Shops to help you sell more online. The mobile web app is where you send review requests manually. When your store is set to manual setup in the admin app, the inbox will show your orders from BigCommerce. Each order includes details like the order date, delivery date, order number, items, total amount, and customer and recipient names. On the right side, you'll see a send button with a camera icon. This is where you can send a review request for that order. You can send it with a photo, without a photo, or schedule it to be sent later. If your store is set to autopilot, orders won't appear in the inbox because review requests are sent automatically based on your settings. You may see a message indicating that autopilot is active. You can still use the mobile app to add and send requests for manual orders, such as in-store or phone orders. These orders will follow the same review timing set in your admin app. If you want to include photos with your review requests, make sure epicSnap is set to manual setup. Autopilot sends requests automatically, but does not support image sending. And that's a quick overview of how the mobile web app inbox works. If you ever need help while using epicSnap, just open the menu and tap Help Center. Epic is always here to support you. And if you'd like a demo or need extra assistance, feel free to email support@epicshops.com. Our team will be happy to help you get the most out of Epic.